A new Mercedes-Benz GLS loses $86,280 of its value in 5 years. A new Toyota Land Cruiser loses $22,000 over the same period. The GLS costs $807 per year to maintain. The Land Cruiser costs $473. Mercedes averages 210 recalls per model across its lineup. Toyota averages 28. For someone whose time has a measurable dollar value, the difference between 210 and 28 is not a reliability statistic. It is a scheduling problem. Now, here's where the Land Cruiser's argument gets more complicated, because an honest comparison requires this. The Land Cruiser is not a cheap car to repair when it does need work. RepairPal's data shows an average annual unscheduled repair cost of $843, higher than the full-size SUV average of $784. The iSeeCars quality score gives the Land Cruiser 9.1 out of 10, while the GLS scores 6.3. Two different data sources, two different methodologies. The honest answer is that the Land Cruiser's reputation for indestructibility is built primarily on older generation V8 models. The new hybrid powertrain introduced with the current generation doesn't yet have the long-term data to confirm or deny that reputation carries forward. That is a meaningful caveat, and it is one the wealthy buyer who has done their research will already know. The depreciation gap, however, is not a caveat. It is the argument. The Land Cruiser retains 66.6% of its value after 5 years. The average new SUV retains 55.1%. The GLS retains 44.2%. In practical terms, if you buy a Land Cruiser for $59,995 and sell it in 5 years, you recover approximately $38,700. If you buy a GLS at its average transaction price of $179,600 and sell it in 5 years, you recover approximately $93,320. The Mercedes buyer spent $86,280 more than the Land Cruiser buyer in depreciation alone, before insurance, before maintenance, before fuel. This is the calculation that changes the comparison for a buyer who understands it. Not stealth wealth, not quiet luxury, not avoiding attention. A specific, verifiable financial outcome that makes the more expensive car the more expensive mistake. That said, the Mercedes case is not without merit. The GLS delivers interior refinement, technology, and passenger comfort that the Land Cruiser does not match at any price point. Its MBUX system, its active suspension, its rear seat environment, these are genuinely better in a GLS than a Land Cruiser. If your primary use is urban driving, business travel, and premium passenger comfort, the GLS earns its premium and the experience it delivers on pavement. The Land Cruiser earns its premium everywhere else. So here's the verdict. The wealthy buyer who chooses a Toyota Land Cruiser over a Mercedes GLS is not making a statement about understated success or quiet confidence. They're making a financial decision grounded in depreciation rates, recall frequencies, and maintenance cost data that most buyers never look at. The GLS costs more to buy, more to maintain, and loses nearly twice as much value over 5 years. Whether the experience it delivers in those 5 years justifies that gap is the only question that actually matters. Drop it in the comments. Land Cruiser or GLS? One answer. Tell us which one you'd actually spend your own money on and why.